Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 15th, 2021. We're going to talk about Cardano today. We're going to try to give y'all a new price target as to where we're expecting the price in Cardano to go. There's been a couple of things since our last video that I've noticed from the price chart perspective that I'm kind of saying, well, maybe the market in Cardano might try to go down now. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're going to give you guys all realistic price predictions based off the price alone. We're not going to talk about any articles, not talking about any upcoming forks or protocols or smart contract capabilities, nothing like that. We simply focus on what people are trying to do with their money based off where they are buying and where they are selling their ADA tokens in the market. And we can actually see and get in position to capitalize from those moves. So if you guys want to join me, hey, check it out. Keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. We're not going to give you guys a lot of hope, a lot of FUD, a lot of FOMO. We just simply pay attention to the price to see where price is going to go. So check this out. November the 9th was the last time we did our video in ADA, and we was expecting the price to go up, right? We was looking for the market in ADA to go up on November the 9th, and so far we haven't gotten that. Now, can the market still go up in ADA? Yeah, it sure can, because of this reason alone. The market here in ADA is still trading above $1.90. So from my last video, I was telling you all, as long as the price in ADA maintains itself above $1.90, we're going to expect the price to go up. But that was prior to us getting all of this volume here on November the 9th, as well as on November the 10th. There was a lot of volume that came into the market in ADA as price was trying to break up above $2.30 right here. So this area has been determined to be in a point to where sellers are definitely in control in the market in ADA, $2.30. So that is the next issue that we are found since our last video in ADA, that we are having problems with moving up in price. It's just that easy, just that simple. Now, let's say for this upcoming trading week that ADA continues just to trade sideways like this. Let's say the market continues to give us this sideways trading, then it lets me know in continuum that the market is still trying to go up. It is just waiting to get the sellers out the way before we see price break up above $2.30. So that would be what I'm looking forward to as we go throughout this trading week to see if ADA is going to continue to trade sideways, because it needs to, in order for us to have the ability to go up in price. This is the 3-day time frame here into the market in ADA, and you guys can see on this 3-day price bar here to where all the volume came in. We haven't seen the price go up since then. Now, the market hasn't been extremely weak, which kind of lets me know that, yeah, this market is going to try to break out and continue to move up in price, but it's just going to take a little while longer, right? It's just going to take a little while for the price in ADA to try to go up when you look at it from a 3-day perspective. This is what we did to conclude last week, though. Look at this. So this is the second consecutive week to where we've seen weakness coming to the market in ADA. Now, I know a lot of people may be bullish into the market in ADA, but given what happened last week with this high volume, we have to take note of this. Seeing how the market closed off of the highs last week with this high volume lets us know that there was more selling going on in the market in ADA last week. So again, we have to be on course to allow this price to trade and read what it is giving us. And last week there was more selling going on in the market in ADA. Did you see this on the 3 weeks time frame? Look at this. Every 3 weekly price bars since August the 23rd, we've seen the price close lower than the previous 3 weekly price bar close. That tells us that there's no strength really involved into the market in ADA. The only positive 3 weekly price bar we've seen was back here in the beginning of August. Look how wide that spread was, and since then the price has been slowly but surely has been going down in price. Now, I know a lot of people have been out there trying to pump up this particular cryptocurrency, but so far, the last 3 weekly price bars, price has been going down. We've been closing lower than the previous one. Again, that is indication that there's not that many people really buying up ADA. They're not buying it. There's more selling going on into the market than what we're seeing in terms of people trying to buy this market and trying to move the market up higher in price. This is the monthly time frame. And it's even being reflected here from last month, October. And then in September, take a look. The last 2 months, we've seen increases in weakness. So far, the market's trying to suppress the weakness. I'll give the market credit, for the month of November. But so far, the only thing that is keeping this price propped up in ADA is $1.90. That's the only thing. If the market ever breaks $1.90 to the downside, you might as well consider it as free fall, right? We might even see the price come all the way down here to the tops of these monthly price bars: February, March, April, and then July. I'm just saying. So let me show you all right here on the hourly time frame, 3-hour chart. So far, we're still looking for the price to go up in ADA, but I want to preface what I'm saying. I don't want you all to think that ADA is massively strong, because it's not. It is not massively strong. Looking at this on a 9-hour chart, right? It's not massively strong. The strength should have came in back here on November the 9th, when we did our last video, and we didn't really get that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take this one out as a loss. It'd be about 9.25% if we were to get out right now. And that's only under the premise that we feel that the market's going to continue to drop in price. That's the only reason why we're taking this out, because if the market in ADA wasn't going to drop, then we'll keep it on. But from what I'm getting at from the longer term time frames, right, the 3 weeks time frame, as well as on a monthly perspective, is why I'm playing a weakness. Now, it doesn't mean on a day-to-day basis that ADA won't go up. Yeah, it could go up. I'm not going to deny that, because the market is still willing to hold $1.90. So I can still see the price trying to maintain itself and try to push up higher. But given what I've seen on the 3-weekly time frame, even on the monthly, that time frame is where I'm seeing the weakness at. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm playing a weakness here into the market in ADA. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this back over to the daily, and we're going to expect the price to go down. But again, I'm not going to be extremely weak, not yet, because I still know that $1.90 is going to be support into the market in ADA, right? We can still see that. Now I'm going to play the weakness until we see the price, since we understood previously that on November the 9th and the 10th, we couldn't see price break above $2.30. We're going to play the weakness there then. Until the market breaks above $2.30, we're going to expect the price to go down in ADA. Okay. Now, right now, the consensus of the market is really to see it trade sideways. So there's not that much emphasis to push price higher. There's not that much emphasis to put price lower. So that is the current phase of this particular price in ADA. It's just going to trade sideways. But within that, I'm looking for the price to go down slightly, not massively, but just slightly, back down here to, $2 and $1.90. Those would be the two spots that I'm looking to TP out the market in ADA, right? $2 will be first, 3.89%. Second area will be $1.90, which is 7.25, right? And then the third area, outside of us breaking $1.90 to the downside, will be here towards $1.82. Okay, that's it. Those are the 3 price targets that I'm looking forward to into the market in ADA right now. Now, granted, I'm telling you that we're looking at this from a longer term perspective, 3 weeks, monthly time frame. So yeah, we can see the price go up, but I'm expecting that. So check it out. This is my newest price target that I'm giving you all for ADA. I'm looking for the price to go down, but again, just relax. If you're looking for the moonshot in ADA's price, I'm not saying that it's out the woods yet. That is not going to happen. But in the meantime, we're looking for the price just to drop just a little bit. Okay, so now it's your turn. Hit me up. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do y'all think ADA's price is going to be in the next 3 weeks? Now, again, let's not make this confusing. There's enough confusion already going on, running rampant on YouTube. So don't bring it over here to my channel. Just give me your price prediction and tell me, where do you all think the price is going to be over the next 3 weeks? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.